Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Meet for scheduled meetings step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Meet website. If you are not already signed in, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your Google account email address and click Next. Now, enter your password and click Next again. Once signed in, you will be directed to the Google Meet homepage. To schedule a meeting, click on the Schedule a Meeting option. You will be taken to Google Calendar to create your meeting. In Google Calendar, click on the Create button. A new event window will appear on your screen. Fill in the meeting details, including the title, date, and time. If you want to add guests, enter their email addresses in the Guests section. Make sure to adjust the meeting settings, like notifications and availability, as needed. To include a Google Meet link, ensure that Add Video Conferencing option is selected. Once all details are filled out, click on the Save button. A prompt will appear asking if you want to send invitations to guests. Select Send to notify your guests about the scheduled meeting. Your meeting is now scheduled, and you can find it in your Google Calendar. You can click on the event to access the Google Meet link and additional details anytime. That's it. You have successfully registered for a scheduled meeting using Google Meet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.